We're going to talk about aches and pains and colds. They're universal, but different countries certainly have very different ways of treating them. Our next guest is here to show us some cures from around the world. Please welcome our dear friend, Dr. Travis Stork. Hey, Travis.
My dear, how goes it?
How goes it with you, my friend?
Life is good. Are you cool if we start in England?
Sure.
And so these are some things that people in certain countries of the world use to feel better, particularly during this time of year where people are often sick. And in England, what they take are mustard baths. Huh. So they'll take a few cups of Epsom salt, and then they'll add in a little baking soda.
I don't have a bathtub. Can I take a mustard shower?
You don't have a bathtub?
No, John has one in his bathroom, but that's John's bathroom. Good luck getting in there.
So a little baking soda, a little dry mustard, mix that together, and then you've got this concoction and this
What is
funnel.
it again? It's Epsom salt, right? And what else? Why don't you just do this?
I don't know. You had a funnel out here for me. Yeah, and then, so it's Epsom salt, a little baking soda, a little this dry mustard. You can mix this together, and then now you've got this ready. So let's just say you've had a big workout.
Now, what does this do for you?
You throw it in a warm bath.
Right.
And soak for about 20 minutes. You know, the Epsom salt's magnesium sulfate, very relaxing for your muscles. And they say, this is what people in England claim, that the mustard, the dry mustard, helps them relax. They say it helps pull out toxins. I don't know if I believe that part, but very relaxing. And
if
so,
it's spicy dry mustard, I bet it'll get things running a lot.
It very well could. And a nice warm bath.